Hi, I am Zeemu98 and Elle can explain the beauty of nature in just 45 seconds. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature. From the magnificent mountains that touch the sky, to the vast and serene oceans, nature is truly breathtaking. The colors of fall leaves, the crispness of winter snow, and the freshness of spring blossoms all bring a unique charm to the world around us. Nature awakens our senses and fills our hearts with peace and awe. Let's take a moment to pause, breathe, and appreciate the beauty of nature around us. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Zeemu98. One essential factor in making something go viral is shareability. In other words, the content needs to be relatable and easily shareable among friends and family. This could include things like emotional appeal, humor, or informative content. Another important factor is distribution. Make sure your content is easily findable on social media platforms and utilize influencers to promote your content. And lastly, timing is crucial. If you can tie your content to current events or trending topics, it can give a boost to its virality. So, keep these tips in mind to increase the chances of your content going viral.